Calculate the cell potential of a cell obtained by the combination of a standard silver electrode and a standard copper electrode. Standard reduction potential values of the silver and copper are given. The formula to calculate the standard electrode potential is E0 cell is equal to E0 cathode minus E0 anode. First of all, here which is cathode and which is anode, how to identify that? Remember one point, the electrode which is having less reduction potential value will act as anode, and the electrode which is having more reduction potential value will act as cathode. Here in these two, 0.34 is a smaller value, so copper will act as anode. The electrode which is having less reduction potential value will act as anode, and silver is 0.8, it will act as cathode. The electrode which is having more reduction potential value will act as cathode. So cathode is silver, anode is copper. Silver value is 0.8, copper is 0.34, 0.46 volts is the standard electrode potential of this cell. Anyway, standard electrode potential it is, standard cell it is, because silver electrode is a standard silver electrode and copper is also standard copper electrode. So standard means Ag plus concentration is 1 molar, Cu plus 2 concentration is also 1 molar. So the electrode potential is also equal to 0.46 volts.